Recently, a viewer had asked whether I can use pacifiers for my baby. Let us see the answer in today's video. Hi friends, I am Dr. Karamat. This is Scientific Doctor channel. In this channel, every week your health related questions are answered via short videos. If you want to see such videos, subscribe to this channel. Also, if you have any such queries, kindly post it in the comment section. I'll try to answer them in subsequent videos. This week's video is about pacifier use in babies. The shortest answer cannot be a emphatic yes or no. Let us see what are the benefits and what are the ill effects of using a pacifier for babies. A pacifier is commonly used to soothe a crying baby. So these are made of food grade polymers, plastics, silicone. What are the benefits in using a pacifier? Some babies tend to have this sucking motion even after having adequate feeds. If they don't have something to suck on, they may tend to cry a lot. So it creates trouble for both the baby as well as the mother, and especially during times like traveling, this crying is accentuated and you need something to soothe the baby. This is where pacifiers come into use. Pacifiers tend to soothe these crying babies, and anyway, if these babies are not given pacifiers, they tend to suck on their thumbs or their fingers a lot. So this is the benefit or the use case scenario for the pacifiers. Then what are the problems in using these pacifiers? Because these pacifiers are made like nipples, they may create nipple confusion in babies, especially in young ones if mother's milk breastfeeding is not well established. So they may interfere with mother's feeding. Babies who are on pacifier tend to get addicted or habituated to it, and it is very difficult to wean away even if the parents desire to do so. And because of prolonged pacifier use, it may interfere with the teeth alignment, the oral cavity of the baby, and also lead to infections, especially middle ear infections in the baby. And if these pacifiers are not kept hygienically, it obviously will lead to infections, especially like diarrhea to the baby. So these are all the problems in using pacifiers. So if you can maintain pacifiers hygienically and only use it after mother's milk feeding has been established, and you can wean the baby from pacifier use, yes, it is absolutely okay. But in countries like India, in developing countries like India, where maintenance and replacement of pacifiers, maintenance of hygiene while using these pacifiers is highly questionable, and interference with breastfeeding is also there, the use of pacifiers is generally not recommended. Hopefully, this would have cleared your confusion regarding the use of pacifiers. If you like this video, share it among your friends and relatives. If you want to see such videos, subscribe to this channel. Till we meet again, bye.